In this video, we are going to talk about campaign detail and campaign page. In this page, you will see the stats of your campaign. The number of orders, number of sent emails, number of reviews, and number of unapproved reviews. In this campaign review box, you see the URL of your review page. Let's copy this URL and open it in another window. In using a private window, so we can view the page as other users. If we open it on same window, it will open as edit page of the review page, which I will show later. So this is what your campaign review page looks like. You can modify some elements of this page from the campaign detail page. To edit, click the Edit or Preview Review Page button. It will open a new window with the same look as the review page we viewed earlier, but with edit functionalities. You can click on the Edit or pencil icon to edit some text content. Here, let me edit the text and click the Save button to save the changes. This section is the form where your users will fill in to submit the review. This section is editable as well. This button will open a sidebar that allows you to change some colors of the page. Let's try changing this text color, and you will see it will update the text in the form. Here, the border color. Make sure to click Update to save the changes. Now let's go back the public review page we opened earlier and refresh it to view the changes. Here you see now the text and border color is changed. This time, let's go back to the campaign detail page in Dashboard and try the Edit Thank You page. The default thank you page is very basic, so you will have to edit the text and enter your desired thank you message. Let's modify it a little bit by changing the size and making it center. Again, click the Save button to save your changes. And that's it for the campaign pages, and see you in the next tutorial video.